Good morning, children. How are you, children? Yes, you are fine and safe. Yes, fourth class children, science, lesson number 5, keeping our neighborhood. Yes, yeah. Waste are collected every day. The waste is collected every day in cities and villages. Yes, and this waste has become a difficult task. It has become a difficult task. What happens? The waste they are going to collect it, they are going to burn it. Yes, and the plastics causes, we are going to burn is what it happens, children. The air is polluted, the air is polluted. Yes, burning plastic and other harmful waste also in the soil will make the soil unfit for the living things, they may also pollute the underground water. Yes, it will pollute air, it will pollute water, it will pollute soil. Yes, yeah, yes. So what can we do to manage our waste? What can we do? Yes, okay, children. Yes, we can do, children. How? Yes, it is 3 R's. What is this 3 R's? Yes, reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yes, and we should reduce our limit the use of the things such as plastic bags and that are harmful for the environment. That is very harmful and very danger for the environment. Yes, you have to reduce, means you have to stop using these all the plastic bags. Yes, and the next one, reuse. How can we reuse? Yes, we should reuse things as much as possible before replacing them. For example, we can donate some old clothes, toys and other items that are good in good condition. Yes, the needy people can reuse them. They can reuse. Who? The poor people. Yes, and the things should be in good condition, children. Yes, if you have the old clothes, you can go to the orphanages and you can give there. Yes, okay. And the next one is recycle. Recycle. Have you seen a person who collects the old newspapers, bottles and boxes? Yes. What happens to this waste? They will collect, and what they will do? Yes. We can make new useful things from such wastes. This is called recycling. This is called recycling of the waste. For example, the old newspapers collected from the houses are made into the paper pulp, and new items like paper cups and dishes are made from this pulp. Have you seen, children, in our school, we are, when they will come, you have given the old books and they gave for you people the pencils, erasers, the pens, the sketch pens. Yes, what they will do? They will collect all the old books. What they will do? Yes, they are doing the recycling. For that they collected. Yes, and sometimes we are going to tear the papers and you are going to waste it. So that, please, children, don't tear the papers and don't waste the paper. Okay, sometimes a fourth R is added to the three basic ones. Yes, what it is? Rethink or recover. Rethink means we should think of the impact of the things we use on the environment. Yes, and recover. Recover means we should practice creating new things from the waste. Yes, we have seen how to manage the waste from the household, but we also need to manage the waste from our body also. Okay, children? Yes, children, it is an amazing fact. Paper is made from the wood of trees. Yes, if we recycle 1000 kgs of paper, 1000 kgs of paper, we can save around 17 trees. 17 trees cutting from getting cut. Yes, and from where do we get the paper? Yes, from the trees, from the trees. If we are going to waste more paper, what we are going to do? We are going to cut down the trees. If we are going to cut down the trees, what happens to our environment? Yes, it is polluted and the trees are not there, means we can't get the, what it is? The oxygen. Yes, we can't get the oxygen and our air will be not good. And what happens to the human life? Yes, it will be destroyed. Yes, okay children. And have you seen that some waste decay in the soil? Yes, leaves and food from compost are after few months of decaying, it will be decaying. The compost provides the, what it is children? It is good for the plants. It helps to grow. It helps to grow. Yes, okay children. This compost provides nutrients for the plants and help them to grow. Yes. Now let us learn how to form a compost. Yes. Put a wet waste like fruit peels, vegetable waste, dry leaves and leftover food inside a one box. Yes. And chop the large pieces into small ones. Easier it will decay. Yes. In villages, animal waste like cow dung is also added to the compost beds. Okay, and cover the waste with a layer of soil. You have to put the first dissolve the peels and one layer of soil. Yes, and spray some water to keep it wet. Spray some water to keep this wet. Okay, and keep adding layers of waste and soil for a month or so on. Keep adding one this peels and again soil these layers for 1 month. Yes, and the lower layers will get changed into black. This will be changed into black color. Yes, and this compost is rich in nutrients that help in plant growth. It can be used in farms, fields or gardens to grow the plants. Yes, this soil is very good to grow the plants. Okay children? Children, take your workbook children, page number 20. Yes, and multiple choice question children. Which of the following waste decays under the soil? Under the soil. The options are given for children there. The first one is glass pieces, B plastic bottles, C leftover food, D plastic bags. Which one is correct children? Yes, it is leftover food. Option C. Which of the following is an example of a gaseous waste? The four options are given there children. Rotten fruits, B paper cups, C waste water from factory, D smoke from vehicles. Which one is correct in that children? Okay. Yes, it is D. D is correct. Yes. And fill in the blanks children. Things which are no longer useful to us are called, what it is? It is waste. It is waste. The fourth one, the dash of waste happens with the help of air, water and tiny organisms. What it is? Yes, it happens when decay. Yes, and the next one children, very short answer question. Give any one example of wet waste. Vegetable and fruits peel. Yes, it is. Yeah. The next one, sixth one children. Give any one example of dry waste. Paper. Paper. Yes. The next one, short answer question. What kind of waste is found in villages? Answer children. Waste from villages includes the waste, okay, includes the waste from fields and farms. They can be animal waste, stalks of the cut crops, dry leaves and so on. I am repeating the answer once again children. Waste from villages includes the waste from fields and farms. They can be animal waste, stalks of cut crops, dry leaves and so on. I'm repeating the answer once again. Waste from villages includes the waste from fields and farms. They can be animal waste, stalks of the cut crops, dry leaves and so on. Yes, okay children. And the next one children. The next one is the page number 21. True or false? Eighth one. We need not sort the waste before disposal. Means it is true or false children? It is false. Yes, the ninth one. Sorted waste should be disposed of in separate bins. Yes, it is true. It is true. And some waste, 10th one children, some waste is burnt in big oven-like machines. Yes, it is true. It is true. Useful products cannot be made from any waste. It is false. It is false. Okay children, just I'll move aside. You take the screenshot of these answers. Children, page number 21, short answer question, 12th one. List the 2 steps of easy waste disposal. Yes, the answer children. Sort the waste. Yes, dispose of the sorted waste in different bins. I am repeating the answer once again children. Sort the waste. Dispose of the sorted waste in different bins. I am repeating the answer once again. Sort the waste. Dispose of the sorted waste in different bins. Yes, the next one children. The 13th one. Yes, what is done with the waste collected in dumping yards? Yes, the answer children. Some of the waste is burnt using hot oven-like machines. Some are buried. Some waste materials are used to make useful products. I am repeating the answer once again children. Some of the waste is burnt using hot oven-like machines. Some are buried. Some waste materials are used to make useful products. I am repeating the answer once again. Some of the waste is burnt using hot oven-like machines. Some are buried. Some waste materials are used to make useful products. Yes, just I'll move aside children. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Yes children, your homework is learn and write page number 12 from workbook in homework. Yes, what is the homework children? Learn and write page number 12 from workbook in homework. What it is? You have to draw. You have to draw and you have to write this true or false. Yes, okay children.